Michael, thank you for joining us. We're at the One-to-One conference in New York at the moment. Tell us a little bit more about the company and what's been happening.
So Platinum Group Metals is focused on a very large palladium deposit in South Africa, and we just completed a feasibility study. It's a culmination of $17 million of work and about 100 people for 2 years. So it feels great to get it out, and it shows a very robust project with 19.5 million ounces of reserves. So we're pretty proud of that.
So obviously that's a great stage to get this there. Also, the palladium price is at a record high today.
Yes, it's an exciting day to be in New York, and we were talking to some metal traders this morning. The automakers are really having trouble getting supply of this metal, and there's a lot of changes that have happened. China Level 6 increasing emission standards and loadings per car, and also Europe moving away from diesel into gasoline and then into hybrids, and all of those requiring more and more palladium at a time when platinum production has been subsiding, and therefore you're accidentally knocking over palladium production even though the price is hitting a record high.
So next stages for the company?
So we're right now at the stage where Impala Platinum, our partner, has a decision to make. They have an election to increase their stake and go up to 50% of the project. To do that, they have to put $130 million into construction up front, and that decision is coming up in April. So we're in the stages of working through the implementation steps for the project, and we expect our final mining right to be approved in January. So it's going to be an exciting few months here from January through to April.
Obviously we're at the One-to-One conference, a lot of investors who are around. What's the key message to them?
The key message really is that at a great time for palladium, this is a world-class asset. 45-year mine life, 20% IRR after tax, and that's at palladium prices that are lower than today. So this is a great way to be involved in palladium, and it's a metal that is very exciting in the next 10 to 20 years.
So One-to-One, how's it been for you?
It's good, yeah. We've had some interesting individual investors, family offices, and actually some interesting discussion around the metal itself.
Superb. Well, thank you for your time today.
Well, my pleasure.